Hey, thanks for visiting us here at Arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Morses with your Tuesday morning forecast update and kind of setting up to be an interesting 36 hours or so in the weather pattern. Quiet today, but it's really Wednesday morning that we're continuing to watch here as it's looking more and more likely we'll see a bit of a winter mix, especially across the northern Arklatex. But your temperatures this morning starting out in the 20s and 30s. This will be the coldest morning of the week. In fact, I think most of us will be in the mid-20s by the time we hit sunrise here. Winds are switching around to the east about 5 to 10 miles per hour ahead of our next disturbance, and again high pressure now scooting to the east. So here comes the cloud cover. We'll start out with some sunshine this morning, but you see the clouds increasing back to the west, eventually partly cloudy and then mostly cloudy a little bit later today. Don't have any rain in the forecast for your Tuesday, but we do have the cold temperatures given that we're starting out in the mid to upper 20s, and just the increase in clouds likely be a few degrees cooler than yesterday. So I have Shreveport at 48 and 44 for Texarkana today, 49 in Natchitoches. So it is going to be a cold afternoon, so make sure if you do have outdoor plans, you're just kind of bundled up not only this morning but through the afternoon as well. Here comes our next disturbance, a little dip in the jet stream here, which is triggering some of those showers across California and the desert southwest. That is the same disturbance that will move into the Arklatex tomorrow morning, bring some rain with it, and potential for that changeover maybe into some freezing rain, some snow, even some sleet. So here's a look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast for today. It does show the sunshine early, and there comes the cloud cover a little bit later this afternoon, this evening. We will be dry, so if you have any Tuesday evening plans that are outside, I'm not too concerned about any rain through midnight tonight. We'll pick things up here in just a moment. So your forecast lows tonight will be in the low to mid 30s, so that sets us very close to freezing as that rain makes its way in. And here's a look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast, picking it up at midnight. It does show a changeover. Blue would be snow. Anything in the pink would be that mix of maybe some sleet and freezing rain, and further to the south, just rain here. So it does look like I-30 and northward, we do have a good chance of seeing some snow and some freezing rain. Texarkana right on the line, whether or not we'll see anything, but if we do see any accumulations, it will likely be north of I-30. And we'll have some warmer air make its way in at the mid-levels tomorrow morning, so we will see a changeover just to all rain for most of the day on Wednesday. Shreveport likely just looking at rain Wednesday, and it does still look like we are looking at quite a few showers as we move into the day Thursday. Could see a few thunderstorms there, but again, no severe weather threat for us with that next cold front. We should begin to see the rain taper off late Thursday into Friday. So here's a look at, I'll show you a couple maps here. This is the snowfall potential map, which is showing all locations here along and north of I-30 receiving less than an inch of snow. So that would maybe just be a dusting on some of the grassy surfaces out there. And look at some of the other maps here, again showing generally less than about a quarter inch of snow if we did see anything. And rainfall may be the bigger issue for us, as well as the potential for some freezing rain north of I-30. So that's what I want everybody to be on the lookout. If you're in McCurtain, Little River, Howard, Sevier counties, that's where we'd most likely see some freezing rain accumulations, maybe up to 1/10 of an inch of ice in some of those areas. So if we did see any icing of bridges and overpasses, that's where it would be tomorrow. The rest of us, no kind of travel impacts, but we're looking at some decent rain Wednesday into Thursday, so we could pick up some 1 to 2 inch amounts across the region. 7-day forecast, once we get rid of the rain, sets up a pretty nice weekend for us. We should see temperatures back in the mid to upper 50s Friday, low 60s for the weekend, and staying dry Friday through Sunday.